Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to remove a background in Canva. This feature is part of Canva Pro, so if you don't have a Pro account, the tool will be locked. But I'll still walk you through the steps so you understand how it works. First, go to Canva and log in. Click Create a Design and choose any size you like. Once your blank design opens, go to the left panel and click on Uploads. Click Upload Files and select a photo from your computer. Once it uploads, click the image to add it to your design. Now, make sure the image is selected. Then click the Edit Image button at the top. A panel will appear on the left. Look for Background Remover. If you have Pro, you can click it. Canva will then process the image and remove the background automatically. After that, you'll see options to fine-tune the result. Use the Erase tool to remove extra parts. Use the Restore tool to bring back anything that was accidentally removed. When you're done, click Apply. You can now place the image on any background or leave it transparent. To download the image, click the Share button, then Download. Choose PNG and check the box for transparent background if available. That's how background removal works in Canva. Even without Pro, now you know the exact steps, so you'll be ready to use it if you ever upgrade. Thanks for watching.